Hello everyone, so this is another video and this is solely going to be related to French. So if you're someone who is just starting out, who wants to learn the language, don't know what to do, don't know where to start, don't know what resources to refer, so I'm here to help you. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know that it was helpful, and if you have any queries, any doubts, any other question related to French, you can just drop a comment below. And yes, I just hope this video is helpful, and yeah, I'm going to try my best to tell you everything, and also the mistakes I made that I don't want you guys to make. So that would be it. So just let's get into it. Okay, so let's assume how should I put this? Let's assume like this is day one and you decided to learn French today. So if I were you, what would I do like at my first day? Let's take an example. When we were in school, we started learning English. What was the first thing that we learned in school? That was very basic alphabets. So I'll start with alphabets, because even though they look similar with ABCD, the pronunciation is completely different, the usage is completely different. So just try to learn the alphabets, try to say them out loud like 4 to 5 times, just get the pronunciation, get the phonetics, and try to remember them. I don't know, I know it's going to be difficult, and you're not going to learn everything in day one, but just try to remember, just try to write it down as well. So that would be the thing for day one. We are going to learn alphabets. Second would be months of the year: January, February, March, April, right? January, February, March, April. You're going to learn that, the pronunciation with the spellings. Don't try too hard to remember, just try and learn. The next thing would be days of the week. Lundi, Mardi, Mikriti, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're going to learn that with the pronunciation and with the spellings. And the last thing would be seasons. So to sum up day one, we're just going to start with very basics. That would be alphabets, days of the week, months of the year, and the seasons. That would be it. I'm going to link anything that might be helpful for you that I find that I found in my notes, or any other resources that I referred when I was learning French. So I'm just gonna link it down, and do check them out. I hope that is helpful. So let's move to day two. Okay, so day two will be simple but very important. So we're just going to start with the revision. Whatever you learned yesterday: alphabets, months of the week, months of the year, days of the week, and the seasons. We are going to revise that, and after that we are going to start with basic introductions and greetings with pronunciations. There are tons of videos out there in French, right? So just try to watch them, try to also say it out loud, and even like if you can record yourself, that would be really great. Like try recording yourself, be it voice memos or like in front of the camera. Try speaking the introduction or the greetings out loud, and also record yourself. And also I'll just attach anything I found
in my notes. Revision,
repetition, and introduction and greetings. So let's move to day 3 and reinforcement. Okay, so we are going to revise what we learned in day 1 and day 2. Then we are going to start with basic vocabulary. And how we're going to do that? That would be like basic phrases. How do you say please? How do you say thank you? How do you say good morning, good evening, good night? That kind of vocabulary we are going to do on day 3. And numbers from 1 to 10. That would be it for day 3. And yes. Okay, so let's talk about day 4. Day 4 will be something a bit trickier, but don't get demotivated. We are just starting out grammar, so all the very best. And yes, we are going to learn the usage of a and the that is going to change accordingly with the gender of the word. So that's how it works. So you're just going to see what we are going to use, how a is going to use with a masculine word or with a feminine word, how the is going to be used with a masculine word, a feminine word, or a word starting with a verb. So that is what we're going to learn today. And one more important thing would be accents. French is all about accents, and accents change the pronunciation completely. So try and learn it out. There are 6 to 7, I don't know, 4 to 5 accents, and yes, that would be it. So today we are going to do usage of a, the, and accents.
That would be it.
Let's go to the next day. On day 5, we should start with something more interesting. So we are going to do some listening activities. That would be listening to podcasts. So I'll just link down one podcast that actually helped me a lot. It's Frenchify podcast. It's a very beginner friendly, and it's easy. And if you don't understand, you can just watch it like 2-3 times. That's okay. And yes, that would be like for day 5. You're going to listen. Don't try to understand each and everything. Just try to get the phonetics. Just try to get how they say a word. What is the meaning of the word? Try to associate it. Don't try to learn each and everything, because you're learning a new language. It is more about repetition with consistency than about doing a lot in a day. So you just have to do like a bits of pieces every day. Try to repeat everything as you move forward, and that's how you'll get it. That's how you'll be more confident in speaking, listening, and writing. Okay, so day 6 would be all about basic verbs. Basic verbs, I mean the verbs that we can that can help us to form basic sentences about our daily lives. That would be eating, walking, singing, dancing, running. You can learn at least 5 to 6. Try to see how they are conjugated, but no pressure. Just see what is the meaning. Like to eat, manger, écouter, danser, cuisiner, regarder. So this is like try to remember that, and try to remember the meaning. Like regarder means to watch, manger means to eat, like that. Don't try to conjugate here. And yes, that would be it for this day 6. Also try numbers like that you learn from 1 to 10. Try to do it from 11 to 20. And that would be it. The whole week is done. There is nothing for day 7. Try and revise everything from day 1 to day 6. Try to record yourself. Try to create voice memos of whatever basic introduction and greetings you have learned, whatever word you have learned. See if the pronunciation is correct. Go to YouTube. Go to like Google Translation, or there is Lingy. So you can check that out as well. So that would be it for like the first week, and that would something I assume that it will help you, because it's very basic and it is very doable, even if you're doing something, even if you're working or doing any other things like studying, etc. So that is actually quite doable, and it was pretty basic. It was easy, but it's not going to be that easy in future when we start with grammar or the big numbers or forming the sentences. Then it will be present tense, passé composé, future tense, future proche. So yeah, that would be it. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just trying to prepare you that start with the very basics. And if once you start feeling confident, once you start loving the language, then there is no going back. Be consistent, be like, be ready to repeat everything that you have learned, and you'll make it there. So all the very best. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll just link everything I found useful and the resources that I referred. I'll just link it down the description, and that would be it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Pieces.